Hello everyone, this is Edmund from homebusinesshowtostart.com. Today I'm going to review UltimateDemon, which is the latest link building software released by Edwinsoft. And this software actually provides a very good alternative to SCNuke. For those who find that SCNuke is very expensive, you'll be glad to know that UltimateDemon is actually priced at $47 every month. And there's also a 2-year subscription at $397. So if you're interested to get it, you can check out the link below that I've provided you to get a $50 discount for this software. So for people who are new to Edwinsoft, right, let me share with you a little background about this company. So Edwinsoft is actually founded by Edwin Bryant, and this company has been in business since 2006. And it is also the team behind the best bookmarking software, also known as BookmarkingDemon. And you'll be surprised that updates are still being provided to this software since its launch in 2006, which really shows this company's commitment to excellence for their SEO softwares, unlike most other companies out there who just create a software and they do not update it. So when it comes to Edwinsoft, you'll be glad to know that you're being covered by a very reputable software company which provides updates consistently to ensure that your softwares are working at their best efficiency. Okay, so moving on, I'm sure a lot of people, you may be wondering what is inside UltimateDemon, right? So I've actually included a video, also known as the Quick Start Guide, inside the UltimateDemon webpage, so that you can check out how this software actually works before making an informed decision to decide whether you want to get it or not. Okay, so let's move on.
Welcome to our Quick Start Guide. Locate your zip file, right-click it, and extract. Locate the location where you want the program to be extracted to. Double-click the .exe file. When you run UltimateDemon for the very first time, you will be prompted to accept the license agreement. To proceed, click Agree to start using the program. You will be prompted whether you want a shortcut link to be created on your desktop. Click Yes if you would like to. Next, you will be prompted to fill in your 64 characters long license key. Click OK to proceed. You will need to activate UltimateDemon on your computer. You will be able to activate UltimateDemon on 2 computers. To run it on a 3rd computer, you will need to deactivate one of the computers. Click Yes. The Setup Wizard will appear. Click Next to continue the Setup Wizard. Here you can tell the submitter to auto-run whenever you start up UltimateDemon. It is recommended to choose Yes. Click Next to continue. You also are given a choice to allow Pinger to auto-run every time UltimateDemon starts up. It is recommended to choose Yes. Click Next to continue. Click Finish to complete the wizard. Once you have completed the Setup Wizard, you will be presented with Getting Started. By default, Getting Started will always show up when you start up UltimateDemon. Uncheck Always Show this guide on startup to prevent this screen from showing up again. Click Next to continue. In this screen, you will be shown an overview process of using the software. Click Next to continue. Click Finish to close the guide. If there is a new version of the software available, you will see a flashing Download New Version label at the bottom left corner. Click it if you want to upgrade UltimateDemon to the new version. You can click the toolbar button here to hide or reveal the toolbar. Before you create a task, you have to ensure that the submitter is running. If the submitter is not running, UltimateDemon will not be able to submit your task. If you remember, one of the previous settings prompted you if you want the submitter to auto-run whenever you start up UltimateDemon. If you chose no, you will need to manually start submitter by clicking this play button. If you chose the recommended setting, the submitter will auto-run. Here you can choose the different types of site you want to create. To create a new article task, click New and choose Article Task from the drop-down. If you want to create a Web 2.0 task, choose Web 2.0 Task. If you want to create an RSS task, choose RSS Task, and so on. First, you will need to add the sites you want to submit to. Click this plus sign to get started. This is the screen which allows you to add the sites that you would like to submit your content to. You can select the sites that you want to submit to from the list. For sites that require a category, you will need to specify a default category, or UltimateDemon will randomly pick one for you. Your submission with a wrong category will most likely be rejected by site moderators. UltimateDemon also provides a quick and easy way to select a default category for every site. You can search for the categories here, and UltimateDemon will assign the closest category to all the sites. For example, you want to submit an article about dog training. You can enter all related keywords separated by a comma into the search bar. In this example, we have entered pets and animals. UltimateDemon will automatically match all the sites that have the category of pets or animals. If you would like to change the category for a particular site, you can click on the Selected Category column. A drop-down with a list of categories will then be displayed. To choose the sites to add to, press Control key on your keyboard and click on the selector on the left grid. If you would like to select all sites, simply click Select All. Click Add to add the sites into the task. Next, you will need to create a new account profile. Click Create New Account Profile. Enter a profile name. You can make use of the random feature to generate random data for your account profile. Click the envelope button to set up the email address. In UltimateDemon, it is mandatory to set up a working email address in order to use the software. The reason is because most of the sites require account activation. UltimateDemon will automatically download your emails and verify them for you. Without activated accounts, you will not be able to submit your content. If you are creating an article task, it is recommended to use your own domain's cPanel email addresses. This is because most article directories do not accept free public email addresses. For other tasks such as social bookmarking, videos, RSS, Web 2.0, etc., using a free public email address is fine. For the purpose of this video, we will use Gmail as an example. Simply enter your Gmail email address here and enter your username and password. Before you can click OK, click the Test Settings. This error shows that you have not enabled POP3 in your Gmail account. Go to your browser and sign into your Gmail account. Go to your Mail settings. Once you have logged into your Gmail account, click on the gear icon that is located on the top right corner of Gmail. Then choose Settings. Click Forwarding and POP/IMAP from the settings screen. Click Enable POP for all mail. Select Delete Gmail's copy from the drop-down. Click Save Changes. Scroll down to fill in the other details. Some sites allow an avatar to be uploaded. If you would like to make this feature in UltimateDemon, locate the folder that stores all your avatar images, and UltimateDemon will randomly pick one for upload. It is recommended to use JPEG images as avatars. Click Save when done. This is the place that you will fill in the content that you would like to submit to the selected sites. Enter your content as required. You can use the Tab key on your keyboard or press this button to call out the synonyms chooser. Click on the list of words from the chooser to include them for spinning. Once done, you can preview your content. You can give your task a name so that you can easily identify it in the future. Next, you will need to specify whether you want the task to start submission or you would prefer the task to be submitted at a later time. To submit right away, choose Submit Now. Click Save, and UltimateDemon will start the submission right away.